and welcome to the 15 uke songs challenge. What we're doing is this month we are learning 15 songs. We're starting from the easiest, which was the one before this video. I will link it up here. And we are going to more and more challenging songs. We had started with a 2-chord song, so we're moving up to a 3-chord song. Make sure your ukulele is tuned. Grab the printable down below. I made that specially for you and it's absolutely free. You don't need to sign anything or sign up for anything, nothing like that. You just click and you have the printable. Alrighty, the chords we need for this song are C, F, and G7. I had also asked you to commit to one ukulele for this whole challenge because I don't want you to look down at the instrument while you play. This is very awkward. It might feel comfortable to you, but looking at it from the outside, it's very awkward. So make sure you bring the sound hole out, stretch yourself up, and go to C. Just strum it. And without looking, go to an F. And without looking, use the index finger to go to G7. Open the elbow a little bit and you'll get that G7. And slide to C. Okay, so we have 2 strumming patterns in this song. We will have down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then the next chord, F. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Back to C. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then G7. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try that in a cycle. 1, 2, 1, 2. C chord, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, F. Repeat it back to C. You got it. Now let's say that you're not ready yet to do up strums. Then what you can do is do down strums with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so go ahead and go at your level. The other strum that we have is down, down, up, down, up, and then the next chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's go to the intro. Let's try it without the singing first, just to get ourselves like really strumming through. 1, 2, 1, 2, island strum. F. Yeah. Don't look at your hands, look up. Look up. You don't need to look at the sheet music. You repeat the chords. C, F. C again, G7, C again, F, C, G7. And throughout this challenge, I really would love for you to step away from staring at the sheet music, because sometimes when we're staring at the sheet music, we're not listening to our ukulele. So focus more on listening to yourself and the sound that you're making. Okay, so now let's try and play through some of the song. Okay, go to the intro, get ready, look at your strumming pattern, breathe. You got this. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, intro, ready, go. Okay, so I want to give you a tip that will make the down-up strum sound more groovy. What I mean by groovy is not like 70s groovy. I mean like for it to move. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make beats 2 and 4 a little bit heavier. The way we're going to do that is we're going to just strum the first 2 strings on beats everything else. So 1 and part 2 give a full strum of all 4 strings. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 4, when you do it a little bit quicker or a little bit more fast, English is hard. See how that's way more interesting than... That's too straight. Okay, so let's try adding the lyrics to that now that we've made it a little bit more interesting. We'll go a little slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Is not a lot more challenging than yesterday's. The challenge comes that we have to like switch strumming patterns when we go from intro to chorus to verse. So let's just try it just for fun and see if we can apply our strumming patterns. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, intro, go. Okay, so now we're approaching the point where I give something for my overachievers. For my overachievers, go ahead and add a chuck. Okay, so add a chuck to that down, down, up, down, up strum. If you don't know how to chuck yet, I have a dedicated tutorial just for you to help you learn the chuck. You can learn it in one sitting. Basically, a chuck is when you strum, rotate the hands, and mute the strings. So you do a strum and a mute at the same time. But check out the video because that is it's one dedicated video to help you accomplish that slowly. I just wanted to explain it quickly so that you get the general idea of what we're doing with the chuck. Okay, so just to conclude our lesson, let's go from verse 4 and finish the song. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hear the village, a peaceful village, lion sleeps tonight. Hear the village, a peaceful village, lion sleeps tonight. In the rail, in the rail, in the rail, in the rail, the rail, in the rail, in the rail, in the rail, the rail, in the rail, in the rail, in the rail, the rail, in the rail, in the rail. Out, true. Okay, so your homework now is to practice memorizing this song. The lyrics are easy enough to memorize and the chord pattern is easy enough to memorize. So it's really about switching the strum. That will be a little bit of a challenge, but a good challenge. A lot of you have been sharing your videos in our private Facebook group. It's called Ukelandia. It's on Facebook. It's private, so it's just the community of people that watch this channel. And I see that a lot of you are posting on Instagram too. I love that. It is so much fun to watch. So continue using the hashtag so that I can see your videos and enjoy your singing and your playing. It's really fun. So thank you so much. Special thanks to Enya for sponsoring this challenge. I will link the ukulele that I'm using for this challenge down below. Alrighty, I will see you at song number 3. Sayonara!